Hi, this is our sixth update on the new Northland facility. We're in the gym. You can see all the way out the back is the back doors there. You may notice the white spots and spackling on the wall. That's where they're covering in the precast. Any nicks or scrapes or bubbles that might have happened during the process of making the precast. You'll notice that the joints aren't filled in yet. They'll be caulked later on by J.E. Dunn. All the duct work has been put in at this point, and the roof trusses, the roof is on. As we go around the room, you'll notice that they use the gym as a staging area. You'll see a lot of insulation in here, some duct work that goes in other parts of the building. As we come around, you'll notice in the back there, that first door goes into the kitchen. The second door there, going around to the left, is going to go into the hallway over by the fellowship hall. You'll notice the window, that's the youth office. The next set of doors there that you'll see goes into the main youth room. As we come around, we've got the bathrooms here in the back. The men's would be on the right, the women's on the left. And then you'll see two doors below the ductwork there that go into the largest closet that we have on site. It's going to be for tables and chairs. We're now going to walk from the gym through the door to the restrooms. The women's is here to my right, and we'll go through the men's on this side. As you'll see, they've got most of the drywall in. This is the spots for the sinks, urinal, and toilet. And as we go through, you'll notice that there's another entrance. And this goes into the main hall. And you can walk through. You'll notice to the left here is a mechanical room. That's where we're going to have the mop sink and custodial supplies. And as you come around, this is the women's restroom, and across from the women's restroom is the family bathroom, which they asked for us to put in. It'll be really nice. We've got an exit door here. This is the door that would go into the front office area, but we're going to go ahead and turn and go down the hall. Okay, as we come down the hall, you'll notice there's a set of doors here that can be locked off during the day. To the right here, you'll notice a doorway that goes into the workroom and through into the offices. There's going to be a drinking fountain here. And then we can go ahead and come into the youth area. Once again, this is the main youth room. As you'll notice, there's 4 rooms off to the sides here. There's, on the left and the right, there's 2 large youth area rooms. And then the front, you'll have a smaller one, and for the youth center director's office there. And also you might notice they're finishing up the drywall on the ceiling, and it's kind of an architectural design there. That'll be the only ceiling drywall. The rest of it will be painted to give it a little more of an industrial look in the youth area. We're going to go ahead and go into here. This is going to be the youth center director's office, where you can see there's plenty of windows for them to be able to see out. Out into the gym, into the main hallway, going to the fellowship area, and also their front door.